You know, you're not ever supposed to need refrigerant. Refrigerant just circulates from the outdoor to the indoor evaporator, and that's it. So we have many customers that have 25-year-old systems that have never taken any refrigerant because that's the way it's supposed to be. So if you have a loss, you have a leak, and then it's about figuring out where that leak is. If it's a system that is pretty old, and we know, if we can tell from history that it's a low leakage rate, where it may take a year to leak out to where we have a problem. Sometimes we can use a sealant that'll seal up the leak permanently, and maybe get a couple more years out of that system. In most cases, 95% of the time, the leaks are in the evaporator coil. The evaporator coil is in the attic or inside the house. That's the part that gets cold, and that's generally where the leaks are. There are a lot of braze points there. That component makes water, there's corrosion, there's vibration, and that's usually where we find the leaks. Almost very rarely can they be repaired, and it has to be replaced. So that's generally how it goes when we have like a significant leak. And we can find it. We have instruments to find leaks. The refrigerant's oily, right? So we can, where the oil is where the leak is generally. So it's just about pinpointing where it is. But like I said, most of the time it's not repairable, and it requires us to replace a component, usually the evaporator.